If you're new to investing but you're dead serious about hitting fire in the next 15 years, you need a focused plan. Forget the day trading hype, we're giving you the 7 essential investment moves for beginners. Move number 1 is opening a low-cost brokerage account, the gateway to your wealth. Move number 2 is maxing out tax-advantaged accounts first, like your 401k or IRA, to save huge on taxes. Move number 3 is simple diversification. Put your money into low-cost, total market index funds, the most proven long-term strategy. Move 4 is embracing consistency, investing every month no matter what. Move 5 is avoiding debt, which is essentially a guaranteed negative return. Move 6 is setting and forgetting, don't panic sell when the market drops. And move 7 is let compound interest do the heavy lifting over those 15 years. These 7 straightforward moves are the proven path to accelerating your wealth and securing your early retirement. Ready to start making these 7 investment moves today? Follow the channel and let's get you invested right.